Hello everyone, I'm Miriam, a lawyer working in the European Commission Directorate General for Communications Networks, Content and Technology. I am delighted to contribute to this seminar on art, technology and copyright with this video message. My team in the AI office is responsible for coordinating the regulatory approach to ensure the uniform application and enforcement of the AI Act across the European Union. Today, I would like to discuss AI and copyright, a topic of great importance and relevance to the cultural sector. In the EU, we have a robust copyright framework that supports artists and creators in the age of generative AI. Our balanced systems of rules includes the text and data mining exception in Article 4 of the DSM Directive and the copyright-related provisions in the AI Act. These rules provide legal certainty for the entire market chain, from creative industries to AI developers, and support both creators and innovation. The European approach to AI and copyright is clear. We want to achieve a strong and competitive AI market and a vibrant, sustainable creative sector. These goals are not mutually exclusive. On the contrary, they go hand in hand. We can in fact rely on a robust and balanced copyright framework complemented by new obligations in the AI Act that facilitate the enforcement of existing EU copyright legislation when general-purpose AI models are trained with large amounts of data. With the DSM Directive, we have adapted EU copyright rules to find the right balance between fostering AI innovation in Europe while protecting human creativity. The TDM exception, which has become increasingly relevant in the context of AI, includes a unique mechanism allowing right holders to reserve their rights, the opt-out. Exercising the opt-out is a way for right holders to retain control of their exclusive rights and to license, if so they choose, the use of their works for AI training. The practical implementation of the opt-out is a work in progress for the different sectors. The Commission is looking already actively for avenues to help to improve the implementation of this reservation mechanism. The AI Act includes two key provisions that aim to facilitate the enforcement of the EU copyright legislation. The general-purpose AI providers must, under the AI Act, firstly establish a policy to respect EU copyright law, particularly the reservation of rights under the TDM exception, and secondly, create and make publicly available a detailed summary of the content used to train their general-purpose AI models. These rules will come into effect very soon, in August 2025. The AI Office has been actively facilitating in the past months the drafting of a code of practice, engaging with over 1,000 stakeholders and independent experts and chairs. This code will serve as a central tool for providers to demonstrate compliance with the AI Act, incorporating practices which are considered to be state-of-the-art. The Commission will analyze the code and will endorse it if it's deemed adequate. The AI Act and the Code of Practice, of course, do not affect the implementation and enforcement of EU copyright law. We will continue to support the enforcement of the existing set of rules based on the DSM Directive and the AI Act, ensuring their implementation and that they produce a positive impact for stakeholders and right holders across the value chain, while contributing to the development of AI in Europe. In conclusion, the European Union is committed to find a balance between promoting innovation in AI and protecting the rights of creators. We believe that our approach will foster a thriving cultural sector, drive economic growth, and ensure that the benefits of AI are shared by all. I look forward to continuing this important discussion and exploring ways to harness the potential of AI while respecting the rights of artists and creators. Thank you.